So here I have a couple of carts from Harbor Freight that I'm going to unbox and assemble and compare for you guys. This one I purchased for its size. It's a little more compact. I want to tuck it away in the shed. I don't have a lot of room. This one, on the other hand, I'm going to keep it a boathouse. I've got quite a few projects over there that I need to do. And I'm hoping from its size and the larger wheels, it has the rubber handles. So I'm hoping that it'll be a little more easier to maneuver and move around. So let's get them unboxed, opened up, assembled, and check them out. Let's go ahead and start with the little guy. Get warmed up. Nothing like the trusted screwdriver. Open up the box. Don't forget, guys, don't tighten anything until you're complete. Putting the other one together took entirely too long. Let's go ahead and see if we can't get better timing on this one. Alright guys, well there you have it. That took a lot longer than I expected it to, but they are assembled, and here's the difference. Now I must say the footprint isn't as different as I thought it would be. I was thinking this cart I would tuck in the corner of my shed, and which I still will. I have this cart already. This cart's excellent, worked out great. Doesn't tip. It's not, it doesn't get top heavy and want to tip over. It holds up pretty good. But I thought this one would be much larger. And it's about what and what as far as footprint goes. But yeah, like I said, I bought this one to tuck in the corner of my shed, kind of get out of the way. Also, if you have a 22-inch barbecue grill cover, or you can buy one at Walmart for 10 bucks, it slides right over your machine, right over this, even with the floor, and it makes out for a perfect cover for like 10 bucks. So one thing that I don't like about this unit, the chain links. So if you go to the hardware store and you get a link that's half the size, you have more adjustability. You can tighten up this chain a little more. I find where one link is too loose, and then if I go to the next link, it's too tight. So swapping that out helps that. Now this one, on the other hand, I bought for its mobility. It seemed like it was a little lower to the ground. It would stand up to hopping over maybe a small couple-inch curb, or a difference in concrete. Over at the boathouse, I have a few projects that I want to do, and with these handles and the larger wheels on the back, it just feels so much better to roll and move around. I think it's going to work out great. I like this little consumable box. Slides right in place. I think that's convenient. You can reverse your hangers on either side depending on the side that your welder opens for the wire. Chain's much thicker. We'll see how those links work out, but I may change these as well to the smaller links so I can have better adjustment. So these are the two carts, differences side by side. And hopefully these videos help you guys as I watch them myself, and they kind of help me decide on these decisions. But if they do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.